Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial I will tell you how to use on-screen keyboard. If your keyboard has got some problem, then don't worry. I will tell you you can use your on-screen keyboard without any problem. I am Kuram and I will tell you how to use on-screen keyboard. Let's start today's video. To use on-screen keyboard, you have to press Window plus R button from your keyboard, and in search bar you have to type OSK and press OK or enter button, and in a few seconds you will see a full keyboard on your screen. Wow, great. Now you can use it very easily, and you can even customize it by dragging, by resizing its size, and even you can minimize it, or you can enlarge it. Crazy. Wow, cool. This is a very useful tip you can use if your keyboard got some problems on some keys. Then you can use this keyboard on your computer while typing, or any tasks you want to perform. You can just use these keys very comfortably. I hope this video will prove very helpful for you. So see you next time. Bye bye.